Guys, today for the Bitcoin price, I'm going to show you exactly what my next trade setup will look like and let you know exactly where I think Bitcoin is going, okay? So overall, I still think that Bitcoin is going to go higher, okay? I still think we're going to go to 48,000 to 51,000 or maybe even $52,000. The reason is because this is resistance and the 0.618 fib level. And typically, when you have a level like this, the price can go higher based on how many traders are shorting here. So even if we hit this level, we can still go a little bit higher just to liquidate some short-term traders that are shorting the market, right? So right now I still overall favor the upside, but will I buy? Absolutely not until I get a confirmation. So what am I waiting for? Let's go to the hourly time frame, actually the daily first. You guys can see that this level over here, which is parallel to this support, which means it's so that much more valid, right? That level is still being respected as support, as you guys can see over here. This literally happened like today, I guess, like a couple hours ago, right? So this level is still being respected even after this fake out, right? Now, overall, I do favor the upside, but if we were to break below this level that I just mentioned, which is parallel to the support, if we were to break below this level, things would change, okay? At that point, I would enter a short position, okay? And let me just show you what the short position would look like. So if I'm entering a short, well, this is gonna be the measured move target, right? Right over there. Let's say we break below it. And I was to enter a short position, right? Let's just say my take profit would be like right over here because we have some good support here, okay? So even though it's not at the measured move, I would probably sell right there, okay? And then my stop loss would be at a 1-to-1 risk to reward, whatever that looks like. Now, I still favor the upside and I would like to enter a long position instead because that gives me a higher probability of winning. So our measured move top would be like somewhere here. Let's say we get the breakout here. This is where I would enter and I would look to exit right at that $48,000 level I mentioned, which is also, look, the measured move target would align with the pivot point here, right? And it's actually the 0.618 fib level. I'll quickly show you that. So if you get the top to the bottom, you can see the 0.618 fib level. Okay, so that's where I would take profits. That's where I would sell my long position. Oops. Now, why do I think we're gonna go up, and like why did we have this fake out over here? Well, let me explain this to you guys. When we broke above this level and started consolidating, I bet you we had a lot of people buy in over here. Okay, I didn't enter a trade here. Okay, a lot of people probably bought this because they saw a bullish breakout and bullish consolidation, and the market typically likes to do the opposite of what everyone else is doing. Okay, so we had people that bought over there, right over there, right, like here-ish, which is why the market went down. And why did they buy here? It's because we had a bullish breakout. So if the price was to break out again, do you think they would do the same thing again? They bought here, lost money. Do you think they would buy here again? Or they would probably be worried, like it's human psychology. They would be worried that, oh, since I bought here last time and it got faked, it'll probably get faked again. They'll be too scared, and that's why they won't buy, right? That's why I will buy here. And since retail investors aren't buying, institutions will actually allow the price to go higher. Does that make sense, everyone? So that's just like human psychology, okay? And yes, that's going to be my target. You guys know what my target is, why it's my target. It's a key pivot point. It aligns with the measured move, and it's a 0.618 fib level. 3 reasons why I would sell over there. Do I think the price is going to go higher? Probably. If it does, I'll look to short it. But that's a video for another day. Okay, but that's basically my prediction. So we're just waiting for a break, either below this level here or above this level here, okay? Now, I just want to let you guys know that I do post trading alerts in the Discord group. So this is the Discord group, right? You guys can see over here, it says TradeXn trading alerts plus education, introduction, right? And then under, well, this is just the introduction of the service. It's free, by the way. This is free. Everything is free in the Discord group. Alerts, so if you go on main, it shows you the alerts here. Look, I literally entered this trade today at 4:14 a.m. AUD USD entry was here, put one, I told you guys, we're putting 100% of whatever we typically go with. Sometimes we dollar cost average, 50 here, 50 there, but in this example, 100%. Stop loss, take profit, and then it tells you how many pips you would have made or lost if either of those got triggered. And if you click on our closed positions, you can see that this is our track record. We've won 11 out of 15 trades. I believe that's a 73.33% win rate. You can see we won 71, 158, lost 11 here, won 13, lost 23, lost 38, won 31, 110, 77, 93, lost 17, and then we're on like a 4-win streak right now. 12 and a half, 55 and a half, 12 and a half, 20.4, right? So we're doing pretty well. And then over here is where I explain to you guys why I entered a trade and this and that. And on top of that, you can literally click on how to start, right? And if you just follow all of these steps, right? Step 1 to step 5, and you complete all these steps, you will know everything I know about trading, my whole strategy, everything. Okay. And on step number 2, you also get this indicator that's custom made by me. And that indicator has worked very well for me, and I'm hoping the indicator with the strategy that I teach works well for you guys as well. I mean, you guys can see I've made 16.9 thousand US dollars just this month alone, and it's on a real live $58,000 account. And here's what the track record looks like. Pretty solid track record, right? So yeah, make sure you guys join the Discord group, follow all the steps, get this indicator, and learn everything else too. Training videos, trading tips, advanced training videos. Yes, you can even message me, call me. We can hop on a call with me, like, privately, and I can teach you. If you're actually serious about learning, I can do that for you as well. Now, the reason I'm doing this for free is because I want to build a team of profitable traders that work together. Once you become good at trading, that's what this section here is for. It's only for real traders. And if you follow all the steps, you'll be able to join this too, right? And yeah, this is what the indicator looks like. It's just loading right now. I gotta refresh this page, but yeah, you'll get the indicator. Now remember, none of the stuff that I'm teaching you actually matters unless you're using this platform, TradeXn, using the link in my description or the link in the Discord group. So that's like step number 1, right? And the reason for that is because the thing is, all other spreads have all other platforms have higher spread, higher fees, making it impossible to profit over a long period of time. Mark my words right now, you will lose all your money if you use any other platform. If you can even make 10% of what I'm making with other platforms, I would be extremely surprised. This platform has 0 commission, 0 swap fees. They only have spread, and it's the smallest spread out of any other platform, right? So use the link in my bio to get started with TradeXn. And yes, this platform is unregulated, but that's the thing, guys. Unregulated platforms, they don't have to pay for so many things like regulatory expenses, insurance, and a bunch of other things, which is why they can charge us a little bit and still profit. So I used to use Binance back in the day too, before they were regulated. And now that they are regulated, I don't use them anymore. Now, with this platform and any other unregulated platform, I always deposit a couple hundred, withdraw a couple hundred, deposit a couple thousand, withdraw a couple thousand, and I keep scaling and scaling, and now I'm withdrawing over 10K a month. I've had no issues. No one's had any issues, right? So this is pretty safe. And you can see we have commodities, crypto, forex, stocks, indices. It doesn't matter what you trade, it's all here in one, right? So yeah, guys, use the link in my bio to get started, and also use the link in my description to join the Discord group, and then follow all the steps 1 to 5, okay? And let me know what you guys think Bitcoin will do next in the comments. Okay, let me know. And if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video.